Good morning students, in today's video we are going to learn one more new topic. The topic name is the history of computer. Students, this is a very interesting topic we are going to learn today. So are you excited to learn about the history of computer? Yes, so let us start. Students, as you know, a computer is an electronic device which store and process information or data. It can be used to solve problem quickly and easily and give meaningful result. But students, today in this video we are going to learn about the history of computer, how computer origin, and in that we are going to see some calculating devices. In that first we are going to learn about abacus. Before that we are going to see the history of computer. The first calculating device was used by primitive people. They used sticks, stones and bones as counting tools. As human mind and technology improved with time, more computing devices were developed. Some of the popular computing devices, starting with the first two recent ones, are described below. So students, here we are going to see some computing devices. In that first one, abacus. The history of computer begins with the birth of abacus, which is believed to be the first computer. It is said that Chinese invented abacus around 4000 years ago. It was a wooden rack which has metal rods with beads mounted on them. The beads were moved by the abacus operator according to some rules to perform arithmetic calculations. Abacus is still used in some countries like China, Russia, and Japan. Now we will move to the next computing device, that is Napier's bones. It was a manually operated calculating device which was invented by John Napier in 1550 to 1617 of Maidstone. In this calculating tool, he used 9 different ivory strips or bones marked with numbers to multiply and divide. So the tools become known as Napier's bones. It was also the first machine to use the decimal point. Now student, we will move to the next calculating device, that is Pascal's adding machine. Pascal is also known as arithmetic machine or adding machine. It was invented between 1642 and 1644 by a French mathematician philosopher Blaise Pascal. It is believed that it was the first mechanical and automatic calculator. Pascal invented this machine to help his father, a tax accountant. It could only perform addition and subtraction. It was a wooden box with a series of gears and wheels. When a wheel is rotated one revolution, it rotates the neighboring wheel. A series of windows is given on the top of the wheels to read the totals. Now student, we will see the another computing device, that is Leibniz wheel. It was developed by a German mathematician philosopher Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz in 1673. He improved Pascal's invention to develop this machine. It was a digital mechanical calculator which was called the stepped Reckoner, as instead of gears it was made of fluted drums. The next computing device is difference engine. In the early 1820s, it was designed by Charles Babbage, who is also known as father of modern computer. It was a mechanical computer from simple calculations. It was a steam driven calculating machine designed to solve tables of numbers like logarithm tables. The next device is analytical engine. This calculating machine was also developed by Charles Babbage in 1830. It was a mechanical computer that used punch cards as input. It was capable of solving any mathematical problem and storing information as a permanent memory. The next device is Jacquard loom. It was invented by Joseph Jacquard in 1804. It made the cotton weaving process automatic. The loom was controlled by a number of punch cards laced together into a continuous sequence. Now we will move to the next device, that is tabulating machine. It was invented in 1890 by Herman Hollerith, an American statistician. It was a mechanical calculator based on punch cards. It could tabulate statistics and record or store data or information. This machine was used in the 1890 US Census. Hollerith also started the Hollerith Tabulating Machine Company, which later became International Business Machine (IBM) in 1924. The next device is differential analyzer. It was the first electronic computer introduced in the United States in 1930. It was an analog device invented by Vannevar Bush. This machine has vacuum tubes to switch electrical signals to perform calculations. It could do 25 calculations in few minutes. Now students, we will move to the next device, computing device, that is Mark I. The next major changes in the history of computer began in 1937 when Howard Aiken planned to develop a machine that could perform calculations involving large numbers. In 1944, Mark I computer was built as a partnership between IBM and Harvard. It was the first programmable digital computer. So students, these are some computing device that make history of computer. Students, I hope you all have understood about the history of computer and the different devices. In upcoming videos, we will learn about the generations of computers. So students, here we are going to stop. Thank you. Have a nice day.